Minamasdan kita nang hindi mo alam. Pinapangarap kong ikaw ay akin.
Matangkad mong ngiti, umabot hanggang sa langit. Huwag ka lang titingin sa'kin at baka matunaw ang puso kong sabihin. Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y naghuhumaling, at sa tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil para sa'yo. Ang awit ng aking puso, sana'y mapansin mo ang hihil ko.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Casey Concepcion!
Wow, grabe naman po.
Welcome home, Christina.
Welcome home.
Akala mo sila lang may budget, meron din kami para sa'yo.
Yes.
Of course, from Paris to Pinas. And I heard that you have a very special
May pasalubong po ako sa inyong lahat. Tonight na po, 10 o'clock ng gabi, yung KC from Paris to Pinas. Panoorin niyo po yan. Ang dami niyo pong magagandang makikita dyan. Marami kayong makikilalang friends. And marami kayong sanang matutunan din.
So now that you're here, what are your plans? I mean, my movie. I mean, with me or ano?
Abangan na lang po ninyo yan. Dahil nandito na po ako ngayon, marami po kaming pinaplano for you.
A lot of people have been waiting and finally you've arrived. Are you excited, Case, that you've come home?
Yes, very, very excited. Salamat po sa ASAP. And thank you, ABS-CBN, so very much for allowing us to do this project.
Thank you, Christina.
Thank you, PJ.
And of course, tonight, from Paris to Pinas, Casey, welcome home again, Christina.
Thank you.
We'll see more of you here.
Manood po kayo tonight.
Alright, magbabalik pa rin po ang ASAP 07 with Jake and Roxanne.